Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in office space in the Galadari Building 17 located in Dubai Production City. At 3,208 square foot, this unit is finished to a high standard and is perfect for businesses requiring an open layout space to accommodate employees. As a corner unit, it has plenty of natural light from the large windows. With 2 pantries and washrooms attached, it has all the amenities required to create a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.